Meaning of hurriedly.
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 Hurriedly. Hurriedly means to do something in a rushed or hasty manner, without taking much time for careful consideration. When one does something hurriedly, they may not pay attention to important details or potential mistakes, and as a result, they may end up with an incomplete or inaccurate outcome. For instance, if someone writes an email hurriedly, they may overlook typos or fail to convey their message clearly. Therefore, it's important to be mindful of how quickly we approach tasks and strive for a balance between efficiency and precision in our work.